Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best garage dehumidifiers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many garage dehumidifiers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each garage dehumidifiers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss what to consider when buying a garage dehumidifier. The first important factor is capacity, as you need a model that matches the size and humidity level of your garage. Next, check the drainage options, since continuous drain features save time and reduce maintenance. Energy efficiency is also crucial. An energy-efficient unit helps lower power costs while keeping the space dry. Noise level matters too if your garage is near living areas. Additionally, ensure the dehumidifier can operate effectively in cooler temperatures, as garages often lack heating. Look for easy-to-clean filters and automatic shutoff for safety and convenience. Finally, consider the warranty and brand reliability for long-term value. Choosing the right combination of these features ensures your garage stays dry, protects tools, and prevents mold growth. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.